Good morning, friends. This is Sriharsha from Crazy Money 3. Today is 30th of December, and let's see what's happening in the market, what happened yesterday, and what's going to happen today. How do you need to place your trades? Let's understand everything in detail. If you're still not a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead, like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. Guys, yesterday, if you can see what happened in the Indian market, we actually moved in a very tight range. We actually opened positive with a good gap up. Then after that, there was a profit booking which pushed the prices down, and then again we were able to recover most of it, and we again closed on a positive note yesterday. So the biggest thing which you have to notice is the bank nifty have been completely resilient, and as long as they're above 31,000, markets are still quite strong, and there is a possibility that banks are going to lift the markets much further high. If you look at what is happening in the US market, most of the stocks actually have closed on a negative note. Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, small cap. The biggest uh, fall we could see is in the small cap index. Rest of them is not anything big. It's hardly around 0.3 0.4%, so it can be treated as a profit booking. Small cap index has actually moved quite a lot down, so that's the only thing which we have to look at. Apart from that, if you look at Germany DAX at the all-time high, there has been some amount of profit booking. So the profit booking has actually pushed the prices a little down. Overall, even if you look at any of these markets, all of them have a gap support which is there. Even if it comes down a little bit, I think it will start getting support, and it may try to push the prices higher. At this point of time, I'm not expecting any big fall to happen. This could be a small profit booking, and it is good opportunity again to buy at this stage. I am not seeing any shorting opportunities at this point of time, that to tell you more precisely. And if you have to see complete contrast to what happened yesterday, and based on that, probably we should be expecting the markets to open more on the negative side. But looking at the futures, probably it is showing us that we may open at a ridiculously high gap up. So as per the futures, it is showing us 14,060 levels, so it's extremely on a high note side. But let's see what's going to happen. Until the market opens, we cannot actually decide what actually is going to happen. Looking at the overall scenario, market is still strong. I don't expect the market to correct here, at least at this point of time. And so markets, if I look at the option chain, so I see a higher concentration on 13,900 level. So this expiry, that is which is going to happen tomorrow, the bulls may not allow the market to go below 13,900. So if by any chance we open flat to negative by any chance, in that case it is good opportunity for you to buy, and probably the markets will move towards the 14,000 levels. So today I am expecting market to be more in the 13,900 to 14,000 levels. Probably we may try to trade in this tight brand, is what I am seeing. If by any chance we open the ridiculously higher gap up somewhere around 14,000 or higher than that, I am not expecting much upside, at least on the intraday perspective. So from there, probably there might be some amount of correction, and after that again prices may move higher. But overall, actually, if you are shorting, short at a higher level and keep strict stop losses and book your profits immediately. Shorts are still actually not profitable until unless you are able to cover them quickly. So if you can cover them quickly, you will definitely get a lot of shorting opportunities, but not at the lower level. It has to be at the higher levels. Overall, actually market looks quite bullish, and the bullish momentum can still continue. And if you see what is happening now, the US futures have started actually becoming on a positive note. so probably they are actually gaining that strength back. And even the European markets are actually, the futures are also, they're all quite flattish kind of thing, and this can also enhance the strength. So I am not expecting any big nasty fall to happen right now. And generally, as I told you, uh, the market sentiments are quite on a high note. Plus, this is a Santa Claus rally, which generally this last week is historically on a high note. If suppose this weekly closing actually, instead of positive, we close negative, that is something which is to be worried, because generally historically what we have seen is whenever there is instead of a rally, if there is a sell off which happens during this particular time, the next few years are actually quite flattish, or probably even a bear market. So that is something which we have to be a little careful about. Overall, I don't expect the market to calm down at this point of time, so it is still buy on dips. So buy on dips can still continue at this point of time. So let's quickly look at what is happening in the commodity. In the commodity at the higher level, gold, silver are still facing resistance, so we need to see if it can break that resistance, or still it will be in that range itself. And crude oil is riding high, as I told you. As long as the markets are going to go up, crude oil actually can continue to be positive. Only thing is, will it be able to cross the previous highs? I still doubt, but anything can happen in the market. So overall, markets are sideways for gold, silver, as well as crude oil. So there's nothing much that we can talk about it. So and as usual, the stock markets are going to continue to be and that. And if you have been watching me on the Trade with Sri, the new program which I'm actually doing, it's a copy trading program where I'm actually coming live 3 times in a day, showing you what actually stocks to pick, which stocks should be on the watch list, how to trade, what quantity to trade, when to trade, and when should you actually book profits, all those things. So if you look at that, out of the 8 stocks we had picked up, there are 2 stocks which have actually done phenomenally well. Tata Chemicals had moved up almost 5%. We were not able to book the profits because it came and then actually suddenly moved out, and we are actually still aggressive on the targets for Tata Chemicals. So we will still wait and watch. So if we are getting an opportunity today, probably we can look at exiting also. Second thing is to do with GMR Infra. GMR Infra, our target was 27 and it has got achieved yesterday by the end of the day. So today morning we will see if the if it is going to go higher, we will tighten the stop loss, or we may also try to book profits there. Rest of them are doing pretty well. I am not actually going to do anything right now, and I may take option trading and all in these stocks or in the index, but I will do that only when I start seeing some profits happening from my overall portfolio, because I need to protect my capital. That is the number one priority for me. So that's how actually you need to do if you are doing a trading. So guys, if you are really interested to learn trading and do it in the right way, this is the program for you. So today is actually the third day and that free trial is going to end today. So today you will be able to watch all the things and later you can take a decision. So this is going to be 3000 rupees a month is what is going to be charged for this. And if you are interested, I'll actually share with you what are the opportunities which are available. If you want to be a professional trader, want to learn, Pro Trading System is a very interesting program you need to attend. It is just for 499 rupees and you should actually go and attend that. And I may increase the fee very soon, so go ahead and take the advantage of at this price which you are getting. It's a 5-day program and you're getting at a ridiculously low price. Okay, guys, so I think I have explained you what is required. So if you're still not been a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead, like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. If you're not a part of my Telegram channel, go and look out for Crazy Money with Sri and join that channel so that you will get all the latest notification. Thank you very much. Have a great and prosperous day.